In this video, I'm going to show you how to share live location in text message on iPhone on iOS 18. So as easy as it is, your iPhone allows you to easily share your live location while using the Hi messaging app on your device. And here, I'm going to walk you through the entire steps. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to share live location as text message on iPhone on iOS 18 is click on the chat box, click on this plus icon, then click on this drop menu. Then you should see this menu comes up. Click on location. Then once you tap that, it should either say the location is active or location is off. In this case, you see I have location is off. Click on that. Then turn it on in settings. This is going to take you to your iPhone settings, and on location service, come down to location service and click on that. Then make sure your location service is enabled. You see that? Then under share my location, scroll down and locate messages. Click on that. And then tap while using this app, then turn on precise location. Then you can go back to the messaging app like this. There you go. Then you can go ahead and click on send, then hit the send button. This is going to send your location to this recipient. Message is already sent. There you go. Then to send precise location, you need to drop a pin on the location by clicking on location here. Once you find the location here, click on this icon to pin it, then click on send pin, click on this, then that is going to send your live location on iPhone on iOS 18. So whoever clicks on this maps icon is going to open the map application on iPhone. Then they'll be able to track your live location where the pin is dropped. So this I can easily share live location on messages on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.